Hello friends, this is me Asghar Khan, your VFX tutor. Today I am gonna teach you image maps, which is the fifth class of season 2 working with HTML elements. So start the video. An image map is an image in which the different areas act as links. For example, consider an image of a world map where the map of each country is a hyperlink. When a particular country's map is clicked in the image, the corresponding web page to the which the map is linked open in the browser. This link web page might provide the detail of the country's map. HTML provides two elements to create image maps. These elements are map, M-A-P, and area, A-R-E-A. So friends, let's go and demonstrate how to create an image map in a web page. So first go to the start menu, and as usual you open the notepad. We type HTML, then type head, and then type title. Today topic search engine. So we type search engine. We close the title and we close the head. Now open the body. We make a heading H2, which is subheading. H1 is for main heading. Search engine. Now close the heading. Now we use the map attribute. Map name equal inverted commas search map. Now close the inverted commas and close. Now we use area attribute. Area H-R-E-F. This is for linking a website. So we link http www.google.com www.google.com. Now inverted comma close. Now we use alt attribute to specify the alternate text to be displayed for the image map. So equal and inverted comma Google. Now we use the shape attribute, which define the shape RECT, rectangular. Now we use codes, which define x-axis and y-axis. 0, 0, 170. हाँ सही का सही हमें वीडियो बनाना है दुकान नहीं बंद बस and 35 and close. Codes shows the components x-axis and y-axis. Now we use area again and hyperlink. Now we use http slash double slash google.ask.com. Alt equal ask shape rectangular. RECT rectangular. And then use quotes. So just copy and we paste and we change the codes 28, 170 and 70. Now close the map image search. Now we put image search. IMG. This is for image. SRC. Search equal search engine. Search engines dot JPEG, which is the extension of picture image. Inverted commas close. Now we give alt search engines. Now we give in the shape. So we use map. Use map attribute, which is SEARCH search map. Now close this. Yeah. Now close the body. Now close the HTML. Then go to the file and save as and see the final result. Save as my name 77 dot we given HTML extension and click it to save. So this is your search engine and this is your image link. Search engine image link. So guys, if you like the video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friend. We will meet in the next class. Take care and bye bye.